Chain jams.
Now, owners of a driving school in Newport News tell Allison Basil there's a different group taking on the challenge.
Whether operating box trucks or big rigs, more women are getting behind the wheel.
I love what I do. I love this.
Sarita Lockley tackled the open road and made it a career, starting Lady Lockley's Trucking in Newport News.
You really don't expect women to drive big trucks.
Driver shortages in the trucking industry grow every year. Lockley wants women to help fill those gaps. She's brought candidates to Dudley's Driving Center down the road from her business.
Here we have different training. We have dump trucks, we have semi trucks, and we also recently acquired a school bus.
The pandemic and supply chain issues have added more fuel to the staffing fire, but co-owner Thomas Dudley says more women are getting their commercial driver's license.
We actually have a lot of students now that are registering that are women.
Out of more than 3 million truck drivers in the U.S., the Women in Trucking Association reports only 10% are women.
In the beginning, I think it's kind of scary because you're so used to driving a regular car every day. So you get into this big old truck and you're like, oh, how am I going to do this? But you can really do this.
Practice makes perfect, and instructors at Dudley's help you get comfortable in the cab.
CDL test is required of 3 portions. So you have first you have the pre-trip. The second part would be the brake test. The third part would be the maneuvers.
Lead instructor Emmanuel Robertson says women are taking over.
It's a male-dominated industry, that's what they say, but the females are more driven, and their pass rate is almost 100%.
Flexible options and pay can come with a CDL.
You can get a CDL and start from $50,000 up to $100,000. You either can be a driver, you can either be a broker, dispatch.
Dudley is proud to help women jump into this field through the school his grandmother, Sadie Bell Howard Dudley, created in 1959.
She was definitely a person that really cared about the community, and I know she would definitely be excited if she could, see that, and I know she's still looking.
As the trucker stereotype changes, Lockley hopes more women will hit the road.
From being a driver to being an owner-operator to being a CEO, the options are limitless.
In Newport News, Allison Basil, 13 News Now.
Man, I'd be all over the road in one of those. The industry is short on drivers right now.
Yeah, the American Truckers Association estimates it's down about 80,000 drivers. Look for Nicole, I don't know.